What is machine learning? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that allows systems to automatically improve their performance with experience. Machine learning is a method of teaching computers to learn from data, without being explicitly programmed. In simple terms, machine learning is a process of teaching a computer to make decisions or predictions based on data, without explicit instructions. Machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze data and make predictions, classify data into different categories, and identify patterns and relationships in data. There are three main types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the computer is given a labeled dataset, which includes inputs and desired outputs, and the computer is trained to learn the relationship between inputs and outputs, so that it can make predictions on new, unseen data. 2. Unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, the computer is given a dataset with inputs but no desired outputs, and it must find patterns and relationships in the data on its own. 3. Reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, the computer is placed in an environment and must learn to perform actions that will maximize a reward. Machine learning is widely used in a variety of applications, such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, self-driving cars, recommender systems, and medical diagnosis. As the amount of data continues to grow, machine learning has become increasingly important for making sense of that data and extracting insights from it.